Well, hello everybody. Welcome to this new tutorial. Today we are going to set up AWS IoT Core for the remote control of IoT devices. So this could be the Raspberry Pi, the ESP32, Arduino, and any other device that we could see fit. So obviously the first thing that we need to do is go to your console, AWS console, then type IoT Core. Okay, that's the one. Then we need to create a thing. So let's go to manage all devices, things, create things. For now we are just going to create a single thing for now. So let's go to next. Let's give it a name. Let's just call it control IoT device. Okay, that should be okay. And let's stick with the default and just next. We are going to auto generate a new certificate for now, so this would generate everything for us. So next. In terms of attaching a policy, we will do that later, but let's just go ahead and create the thing. Okay. Yeah, so we need all these things, so let's download all of them. Okay, perfect. Alright, so that's done. So make sure you do download it, because this is the only time you could download the key files for the certificate. So that's done. Okay, so we now have our IoT device over there. Attached with it comes its certificate as well over here. The next thing that we need to do is to attach a policy. Okay, so to do that, let's go over to security policies and let's create a policy over here. Let's give it a name. Let's call it IoT policy. Okay, that should be okay. And policy effect, let's allow. Policy action, I'm going to allow all actions. Policy resource, let's just put a star over there to get all the resources available. Let's create. Okay, so IoT policy has been created. So let's see that we do. So let's see the policy. Perfect. Okay, and let's see the JSON of it. Yeah, so this is what we want. Okay, you could change this if you want to, but for now I want everything to essentially get all the resources and all the actions available. So once that's done, let's go back to our things. Let's go back to what we just created, certificates, and let's click on the certificate we created, and let's attach a policy. Yeah, so actions a policy, and we are going to select the policy that we just created, attach this policy. Okay, and that's done. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now the next important step that we need to do is to get the endpoint for our IoT devices, essentially. Okay, so let's go to MQTT test client over here. Okay, and let's take a look. Yeah, connection details over here, and this is the endpoint that you need to how can I say, save in a safe environment, because this is what the your Raspberry Pis or your ESP32 are going to connect with to make sure all the remote controlling is possible. Okay, so that's pretty much it. The next videos will try to prepare Raspberry Pi for the remote control of the device and for other really cool stuff. Cheers. Bye.